Strongbian. I'm Jennifer Baing, and on this episode of Café Niugini, we explore the foods of Finschhafen District of Morobe Province. Come with me as we explore the local delicacies from the islands to the highlands of this beautiful district.
Our culinary adventure starts at beautiful Tami Island. This picturesque island is an hour boat ride from Finschhafen Station along the northern coast of Morobe Province. Local guide and radio journalist Sara Mumugao takes us on a food journey through her homeland of Finschhafen District. I am amazed by the crystal clear waters that welcome us to the shores of Tami Island. As I walk up the beach, curious locals watch us enter the village. The Talabi family have been waiting for our arrival. Abiang Talabi is well known on Tami for her hospitality and cooking. Abiang and her husband greet us warmly and are eager to show us their island. The land area on Tami Island is small, so the community has to be very resourceful with their gardens and food assets. Abiang directs Sara to show us a local kumu mosong or fig tree. I am told most of the vegetation on Tami is used for food purposes. Sara explains what parts of the kumu mosong are used for cooking.
This plakaika by me cooking by me kisimla one blood DY we only call him kumu moson.
Yes.
Okay, kumu moson and one blood DY we say come up go through in Salo Island lo Tami. Kumu moson em ami plus sakai lip blong em na me plus sakai kiao blong em one time.
Okay. All right, me look forward to that look like this la kumu mosong ya. Nice plus yeah.
So now when me salimul mangi gwanta blood DY and ball pick him kiao blong.
Okay.
DY kumu moson.
All right, okay.
By me go la house na cooking.
Okay, me look forward to this la. All right.
Yeah, true.
Abiang begins her kumu mosong dish by making coconut milk. The coconut milk is poured into a clay pot and is lightly boiled on a fire. Abiang washes the kumu mosong figs and then smashes them with a stone. This is done so the fig can absorb the juices of the coconut milk and greens while cooking. Crushed binalau or tulip greens are placed in the pot with the figs and coconut milk to simmer.
So in Tami Island, people always share their food with each other. There's a school opening, and when guests are on the island, they will distribute whatever food is being shared amongst themselves with also the visitors. So here we have two wonderful food baskets that have been given to us by the school. We've opened up the food basket now, and as you can see, these are some delicious smoked fish and rice baskets, where the young leaves of a coconut tree have been used to weave and filled with rice and cooked in coconut cream in a pot. So Abiang has finished cooking this delicious meal, and I'm about to try this kumu mosong kiao, the fruits of the fig tree. It's nice and salty, and it's got a smooth, slightly crunchy but potato-like consistency. It's just delicious.
Tami Islanders have developed an effective food preservation technique to store sago in times of need. Sago is made into hard balls which can last for a long period without deteriorating.
So Abiang, mi lo que mas you boiling mol sago ya pinis na kala blongol differently likia. Also monem na sago yam kam posem dislakain kala.
Em also display mi cooking pastem na em nupla.
Okay.
Na em by mi putim non tripla putim non san ina pon tripla days. Na emba go sem desbla.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm ready now. I can stop
Now
long
I'm
time.
ready. Em can stop go long pla time likli.
Okay. I can stop year or moon or...
Suppose stop planti kay long house bloom pla. Emba can stop go next year something. So
Okay.
emba no na bagrap.
Okay.
Stop by me plus kelim 3, 4 something plus puti morana kim kena kay.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So this sago is actually used in times of survival when there's not much food around to be eaten or harvested. So by me taste him sampla blow this like you by cooking lo now abinun too.
Desbla. Imi try.
Okay. All right.
Sago flour is rolled into balls and put into boiling hot water. Once firm, the balls are left to cool in a wooden bowl. For making soup, the sago is sprinkled into hot water. Coconut milk is added to the sago. Abyang also makes roasted sago. She simply packs the sago flour into a banana leaf and places the wraps on a grill for cooking.
So as you can see, Abyang has cooked up a wide range of different types of sago dishes. We've got the sago soup with these beautiful gem-like balls in them. And then we've also got the sago that's been rolled in freshly grated coconut. We've also got the sago that's been roasted on the fire. I'm going to try some of this porridge. It's a savory dish. It's nice and smooth and creamy. It's just such a hearty dish to eat on a lovely afternoon like this. Sit down.
After tasting the creative food culture of Tami Island, Sarah takes us to the mainland for a tour of her own family garden in Siki Village.
So Sarah, you story, you may make him one lo garden lo here.
Yumi kam lo garden na lo kisim Taro. Yumi by save time Taro through em ready. Time Taro em no ready yet by looking em got planti lipi sanap arare longem. Na time Taro igo ready now by looking mo se molgeta lipi and by dry go down na 1 pla 2 pla lip ta solo some pla time 1 pla lip ta solo and by sanap. And by sawa se Taro through ya em ready now lo. Yumi can dig him na kisim na go cook him na kai.
Okay. Sarah, this lamb new plug garden or old plug garden?
Okay, this now garden you come now. I'm new plug garden. By looking into this garden, I'm planning corn, I'm planning cow, I'm planning peat, I'm planning ibica, I'm planning banana, I'm planning all tapioca too. Corn I'm one number one something I'm ready. I'm planning corn stuff. I'm also you looking planning all ibica too. Ibica too. I'm by start already now. Time I play corn pinis, I play with him cow already. So being him cow now, you looking you me dig him Taro now. Behind him Taro now, by all tapioca ready. Na time tapioca ready, by looking musem. And me go lip long and me go dry na and put him kiao. No seed long him too by dry.
Okay.
And behind him tapioca, me play stop now. I'm all banana by ready. At the same time, by looking musem pit him ready, sugar cane him ready. Or get something him. Come on top na ready one time banana.
Okay.
Time you kai lo garden is stuff you must think him lab tomorrow by kai one him. So you got time to start lo cut him garden can plan him on loop la garden. Okay. So time you cut him loop la garden na ready him lo plan him now. Me lo by come back lo this pla garden na kiss him seed na go plan him lo loop la garden.
Okay.
So this pla garden now by come up some seed garden lo me blacken.
Okay. Na dis la garden ni by stapel sem or by plak clean miet na plan him kai or no gat.
Em no gat me pla lose him now me pla by move go lo no pla garden na boost by karama him this pla
again.
Next we visit the family's cocoa and copra block to pick up some coconuts. Along with the harvested vegetables from our garden, we carry everything back to the village. Outside the family house cook, in preparation for the Taro tonton dish, Sarah's uncle scrapes coconut flesh into a dish. He demonstrates the use of a coconut husk as a traditional strainer. The liquid is squeezed out, forming pure coconut milk. Inside the house cook, Sarah's aunties are roasting taro on a fire. The taro is grilled and turns black in color. The woman scraped the charred skin of the taro to remove the burnt bits. Once cooked, the taro tubers are now ready for the next process of tonton cooking. Sarah's uncle cleans a smooth wooden pestle with coconut flesh. He pounds the roasted taro until it is soft enough to crumble. Sarah's uncle firmly turns the taro and coconut mixture with the pestle. The coconut milk is added. The taro is further pounded in a wooden mortar-like bowl. The taro is further ground into a moist fudge-like consistency. Sarah's uncle finally shakes the wooden mortar to compound the taro mixture together.
Let's have a taste of this tonton. This is just so smooth, and the flavor is so intensely fragrant with that coconut. It's just divine.
We arrive at Naduo Village and are greeted by the Esang family. They will be showing us their food delicacies. Thank you. Oh, please. Thank you, Stred. Thank you. Thank you. Lagi try lang Maritaya.
Jennifer, before tumbuna iga kain mambo. Okay, desla emblong before tumbuna nogat sospen na osa katim na osa kukim kai marita na or pig na kain wanem long osa mambuin. Na mambo blong emia ipla sa cook.
Okay.
Pot blong ipla.
Okay, I'm cooking pot.
Cooking pot. Na desla mambo ba imigo na cooking marita. Okay. Desla mambo tu mi plasa puru maping bara.
Okay.
Nogat plastic container. Mi plasa katim rausim inside banem blong finish. Okay, mi plasa go. Kissing bara na kami go house.
Okay. So you by cutting whole go inside
Whole
Riviana,
go
or you by
inside,
putting straw go inside?
No.
Mambu straw na ba you drink here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of sen.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, you put in.
Wow.
Ay. Wala. Piwa bota. Suppose you sick. Kan sick kisu M2 nar plaken marasin ya.
Okay.
You kiss him this la one me astrokia na you put
Try some. Now I've got my bamboo straw, and now I'm going to have a taste of this bamboo water. It's just so deliciously fresh and really cold as well. This really is nature's own.
Okay. Kuru blongem. Mi plasa cook longem.
Okay.
Mi plasa ba kisim igo cook finish you can fry him long oil. Na ba you can mambo him too. Okay, ba puti lo kai na ba you kai want him. Okay, mi roast him now. Okay. And now.
Wow. And by feeding planty line, I think.
Planty line.
Okay.
Once the red marita has been harvested from the garden, Esang uses a traditional pick made from cassowary bone to remove the marita kernels. Esang's wife Boere cuts the white pith off the marita pieces. Next, she carefully packs the chunks of marita into the bamboo. Freshly harvested ibica leaves are also compacted into the bamboo. Leafy ferns are used to put in and fill up the bamboo and also to absorb the juices from the marita. Finally, a special leaf is placed on top to seal all the ingredients in. Once the marita becomes soft, it is pounded by a stick inside the bamboo. This bamboo style of cooking reveals a rich marita sauce with succulent steamed greens. The bamboo shoots have roasted nicely on the fire.
Esang and Foibe have finished up this deliciously organic and natural meal. We've got the beautiful ferns here, the ibica, the bamboo shoots, and the vibrant, bright and red marita. Now let's have a taste of this bamboo shoot. We've got the lower part of it here, which is thicker, and it's crunchy as well. It's juicy and it tastes like a mixture between roasted corn and pit. Now let's try some of this fern. So we remove the leaves off and now we're going to use the marita as a dip. I can really taste that gorgeous sauce there from the marita. And the ferns are really soft and full of flavour. Because they've been cooked in the bamboo, all the natural taste is right there and it's so intense. It's just divine.
Our next destination is the village of Jiwaning, located in the Highlands area of Finschhafen District. So we sit down with local residents, the Saki family, to enjoy a hearty breakfast.
We're in Kawing's house cook here in Jiwaning, and we're having some roasted taro kongkong here with coconut. Now this is a really wholesome breakfast that'll keep you going for the whole day long. Let's try some. Crunchy on the outside and soft and smooth on the inside, just delicious.
Next, the Saki family takes us on a tour of the nearby forest. Here we find large Singapore taro to harvest for our next meal. Wild large ginger leaves are also harvested. While collecting ginger leaves, I was able to try some wild ginger fruit.
Hey, thank you. Nice bluff fruit there. This is called a gorgor locally. It's actually from the bottom of a ginger plant. It opens up quite easily and inside there's a white pith. Let's have a taste of this. Kind of tastes a little bit of a mixture between banana and cardamom. It's quite delicious actually.
We take our harvested vegetables back to the house for cooking. The Saki family begin preparations to make taweng song song with Singapore taro. The Saki family begin to make the taweng song song. First, the women peel the taro to reveal the nice white skin underneath. The taro is placed in banana leaves and then scraped into a pulp. Everyone joins in, and Saki's son uses a handmade metal scraper to mash up the taro pieces. The greens are shredded up and then placed in a pot to be blanched in water. The grated taro and scraped coconut sit in separate dishes. A little salt is added to the taro mash. Next, fresh coconut milk is squeezed into the grated taro. When the coconut milk is thoroughly absorbed, the grated taro is patted down into the ginger leaf. The grated taro is now sticky and the women wrap the taro and coconut mixture up with the ginger leaves. The wraps are tied with bush string, ready for the next step. Here, we are boiling and roasting them on the fire. As a final touch to our meal, bamboo shoots are cooked whole on the fire as a side dish. The taweng song song and bamboo shoots are finally cooked.
So now the taweng song song's finished cooking. We have the roasted taweng song song here and the taweng song song that's been boiled in water. We also have some roasted bamboo shoots here from a smaller variety. Now let's have a taste and see what it's like. The roasted taweng song song. This is like a roasted sticky bread. It's just delicious. Now let's try the one that's been boiled in water. This one is like a fudge, a savory fudge with a hint of coconut. Now let's have a taste of the roasted bamboo shoot. This is crunchy, moist, and refreshing. It's just delicious. I've had such a wonderful time traveling through this stunning district of Finschhafen. We've had Kumumosong Kiao from Tami Island, Tonton from Boere Village, we've had Taro Kongkong in Jivaning, and we've traveled all the way to Naduo and had marita with bamboo shoots. The people of Finschhafen are so organized, kind, and very, very resourceful. If you have a food story you'd like to share with us, please go to our website. Until next time, goodbye and God bless.